Hi, Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. You got a brand new 230 Sunliner from Harris just come in. Let's take a look. The Sunliner is powered with a 204-stroke Mercury engine, patented 4-step stainless steel boarding ladder, fender holders, large sun lounger seat, pass-through door, in-dash Simrad chart plotter, JL audio system, digital throttle and shift, in-dash phone charger, USB ports, removable jump seat. This also has the double bimini, give you plenty of shade in the hot summer days. Boating on Lake Norman, come by and see this 230 Sunliner or any of the others. I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168.